Let's learn together.
Today, this video is about how to apply the art on your sketch. There are three types of the art, which is center point art, tangent art, and the last one is 3-point art. Okay, we proceed to the first type of the art, which is center point art. Okay, at the parameter box, you can adjust or set the dimension of the art. Okay, let's go for the first sketch. Okay, for the first click of the center point arc, it will set or place the center of the arc. You also can set the radius of the arc. For the second and the third click of the center point arc, is the set the line of the arc. Also, you can set the angle of the arc. For the example, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, or 360 degree. Okay, I will set 90 degree first. Okay, you can see this is a line of the arc, and then this is the center point of the arc. Okay, and then click right. Okay, this is an example of the center point arc. You can see this. Okay, let's apply the center point arc on one sketch. Okay, set the center point of the arc, and then the radius of the arc. Okay, the last one is the line of the arc. And then you also can trim the line to get a beautiful sketch. Okay, now it's done. Okay, that's all for the video about how to apply center point art on your sketch.